Hi there guys, I'm going to unbox my order from DragonHawk Tattoo Supplies, which features a really interesting item, the Mast Sticker. Since I was ordering this, I've also bought a Sharpie for some freehand or stencil fixing, and it has two tips, a thinner and a large one. I also bought some pen sleeves. Well, this wasn't really necessary since I already have the clip cord sleeves and could be adapted, but well, this is way more handy this way. Now for the main item, the Mast Sticker. The case feels nice, and opening it, for my surprise, it has a really nice weight to it. It's not heavy, but I really thought that it would feel more plasticky and light, and not at all. It's a really positive surprise. Now I'm going to open a cartridge just to see how it fits, and then this will be used for my next video, where I'll be testing this on artificial skin. This knob is really smooth and does what it's meant to do, forcing the needle in or out. Now, and since I have here the pen sleeves, let's see how this setup looks. Obviously that is missing the tissue wrap to get a firm grip, and if I was going to tattoo, the most essential item, the gloves. Well, for being perfect for this, it would just need an extra couple of centimeters long on the sleeve so you can manage the knob at the back with comfort. However, it covers it up completely and gives a nice and slick look to it. So this is my unboxing and first impressions video on the Mast Sticker, and if you are interested in seeing a comparison with a more simple and economical setup, I'm going to bring it to you on the next video, doing a test on a fake skin. Stay tuned and thank you.